Today we have a problem for the series circuit. 9-volt battery is connected in series within 3 resistors in an external circuit. If one of the resistance is increased, will be the equivalent resistance change? Second question, what will happen to the current? Will there be any change in the battery voltage? Okay, to solution this problem, first we will draw a series circuit. Okay, this is the battery source. This is the first resistance R1. This is the second resistance R2, and this is the third resistance R3. The battery voltage V equal 9. Okay. The first question, if one of the resistance is increased, will be the equivalent resistance change? Okay. In the series circuit, we can find the equivalent resistance by these equations. R total equal R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay. For example, R1 is 2, R2 is 3, R3 is 3. The summation 2, 5, 8. 8 ohms. Okay. If one of the resistance is increased, R1 is increased to be 3. The summation will be 3 plus 3 plus R. 3 is 3 equal 3, 3, 6, 3, 9. Okay. Will be the equivalent resistance change. The equivalent resistance here is 8 and here is 9. So yes, will change and it's increase. Yes, increase. Okay. The second question, what will happen to the current? Okay, in the Ohm's law state, the voltage equal I multi R. V is the voltage, R is the current, R is the resistance. Okay, what will happen to the current? I. What will happen? Okay, in the constant voltage and increase the resistance, what will happen for the current? Okay, I equal V over I. The relationship between I and R is inversely proportional. So if we increase the resistance, the current will be decreased. If we increase the current, the resistance will be decreased. I equal 1 over R. The relationship between I and R is inversely proportional. So what happened for the current? If we increase the resistance, the current will be decreased. Okay. First, will there any change in the battery voltage? Okay, what will happen for the battery voltage? The battery voltage is a property of the source and doesn't change by a change the external resistance. Therefore, the battery voltage is not change, will be constant. Why? Because it's a property of the source, not change, will be constant. But the voltage will be constant, doesn't change. Change. This is the final.